All right, this is a 2018 Toyota Corolla. Now, some of these models are going to be like the last video that I did, where you can actually use the button on this side and you won't touch anything else on the dash. But this one, you actually have this trip button here. And what you're going to want to do is, you don't have to start your car, just put it in the accessory position, let your welcome message pass, and you're going to want to put this on trip A. Once you get it on trip A, turn the car off. It's going to be kind of hard for me to do this with one hand, so I'm going to have to figure something out. But what you're going to want to do is basically turn the car on while you're holding this button, and it'll clear that for you. So I'm going to see if I can set the phone down right quick. And while you're holding it, this is what happens. You'll see that blinking light, and it's resetting the maintenance light. Once those zeros stop flashing, you're good to go.